Browsing on LexisPSL. In this module, we will be looking at aspects of browsing on LexisPSL, such as how to access the topics menu within each practice area, looking at the synopsis page for each topic, and then discovering the features of a document on the service. To discover the available topics for a practice area, firstly make sure you are looking at the correct practice area homepage. To change practice area, click on the word Change next to the title towards the top left-hand corner of the screen. Then select the appropriate practice area. Click on the words View Topics immediately below the LexisPSL icon to display the full list of available topics. Select a topic of interest and click on its name to be taken to the synopsis page. Let's click on Proving Negligence or Breach. If at any stage in your work you wish to change topic, simply click on the View Topics button again and click on another topic. This can be done from any page within the service. We are now looking at the synopsis page for our chosen topic. On the far left-hand side of the screen towards the top, you will find a Read Overview button for this topic, which highlights some of the key points of law and procedure when working in this area. Further down the page you can find content areas showing key materials for the topic such as practice notes, precedents, legislation, cases and news. Many of the documents contain a short note below the title to provide a flavour of its contents before clicking to read it in full. To reveal all available documents for a particular type, click on the words View All in the grey bar at the top. This will now show all available documents within this set. Items flagged as updated show the date on which they were last changed. Documents may also be flagged as new if they have recently been added to the service. Let's now look at an example of a practice note within the service. You will notice there are orange reference bubbles along the right-hand side of the text of the practice note. If you hover over one of these, it reveals a link to the authority for the statement in the paragraph. If you click on the reference, you are taken directly to the full text of the legislation or case. The legislation is consolidated and contains useful footnotes. On some pages, you may also find links to related documents and further reading on Lexis Library on the right-hand side of the screen. At the bottom of the page, following you as you scroll down, is a navigation and delivery bar. If you are looking at legislation, you can use the arrows to move forward and backwards within the statute. On pages such as practice notes, it will allow you to navigate between sections. To the right of the bar, there are links to print, email and download the page. On the far right of the bar, there is a white speech bubble. Clicking this will bring up the Lexis Ask overlay. If you have been unable to find your answer to your question, this form allows you to ask our experts. That concludes this module. For further information on other aspects of using LexisPSL, please see additional modules.